Hi guys! What's up mga kalma? This is Menggay again for today's video and welcome to another Kalma Day. So today guys, it's Thursday. Wala tayong kahit anong booking at all. Actually meron, pero it is for July 5. So for those clients na nagtatanong if we're accepting advance booking, just send us a message via our Facebook page. Or you can contact us at 0917-133-9667. Now, going back, papunta na tayo sa spa today. And earlier, work lang din tayo. Today, wala kaming masyadong plans other than probably creating contents pang back up lang sa next couple of days. Working on some other forms na kulang na kami and just thinking about how we can improve yung process namin. We always have early meetings in the afternoon to talk about yesterday's performance or mga feedbacks or anything that we need to actually discuss within the team. So, I think it's important din kasi na we do that para we work on those weaknesses or strength or anything that we need to improve para mas gumaling pa po kami para sa mga clients namin. Andito na rin pala tayo sa spa and we got 1, 2 therapists already. Hey! Musta? Hello mga kakalma! Good evening! It's me, Menggay, and we are back for another Kalma story. So today, it is Thursday and unlike the other days, medyo slow talaga today. We only had about 3 clients. So, alam nyo, as a business owner, hindi ako napanghihinaan ng loob ng mga ganitong pagkakataon. Because, naniniwala ako na in a business, there's good days and there's also bad days. Hindi naman kasi every single day, busy day or good day. And, one thing that nobody really tells you about is what running a business. Marami talagang araw na pwedeng sunod-sunod yung bookings natin. Pwedeng sunod-sunod din na wala tayong clients. May mga times na bokya. So far naman, sa experience, hindi pa naman po ako nabubokya. Thank God. Pero, may mga ganitong pagkakataon talaga na mahina ako. Slow ko. But as a business owner, I take this as an opportunity to do other things, to look at the business. For example, today ang ginawa namin, nag-content creation kami. So we created a little bit of skits with the team. Ito lumabas yung magiging artistahin namin. Kidding aside, nag-create lang po kami ng mga content namin that we can post on our Facebook page. We also talked about a few things regarding yung processes natin. We've also checked whether complete pa yung supplies natin. We really just relax as well. Kasi yun nga, may mga araw na nagsunod-sunod yung pagod na late na kami umuwi, so they were not able to spend their time to relax. So nagbawi din naman sila, which I just really have to balance everything. Hindi naman pwedeng maging stricto all the way. Wala naman talagang clients na dumating. Nag-brainstorm kami, syempre, regarding content. Pero other than that, we just really try to be laid back for today. Yun lang naman so far. And, maga kami nag-out today in 9:30. Since from the last client, wala naman naging kaso.
Lemon Yakult.
Bibili ako lemon Yakult. Wait lang guys, bibili daw ako ng lemon Yakult. Guys!
Kahit yung mga calamares na sama kanina eh. Kaya, di hanap tayo ng iba.
Oh, naka-on na. 60 pesos lang to guys.
Isang round pa ng ikot. Huwag na barbecue. Mga ano lang, prito lang. Eh, kakaiba sa timplano ni Kuya eh, no? Maraming beses na tayo nakatikim ng lemon sa Yakult pero parang kakaiba sa kanya.
Hindi siya yung parang maasip-asip na parang
Kaya nga eh.
wala na rin yung ate burger, no?
Meron pa, nakita ko. Pwede naman, natin lang tayo sa isa. Oo. Once in a blue moon lang mangyari doon na makalabas na na may mga option pa.
Yeah, thank you, Lord. Thank you po sa flight namin. So, hoping po kami from 12 noon up until 10 p.m. Last call namin is 9:30. So, come with us.
Guys, so busog na kami. Bumili tayo ng burger sa Avis Burger. The best talaga yung burger nila. In fairness, good yung quality ng meat. I believe ginagawa pa daw ng mismong may-ari. So, if you guys are watching, solid po yung burger po ninyo. Especially yung beef and bacon. Sarap talaga. I'm not a burger lover, pero ito I'll make an exception. Masarap po talaga yung burger nila. And nagutom po tayo kasi earlier ang kinain natin is kare-kare, pero kasi hindi ako mahilig sa tuwalya, so purely gulay lang yung kinain ko. So umorder pa po ako ng, I don't know what you call that, babe, yung liempo pa tawag doon, or yung basta yung pritong puro baboy. So bumili ako para i-take out, para i-add doon sa kakainin ko pag uwi, which is yung kare pa din naman for dinner. Masarap yung luto ng biyanan ko, so I'm sure it's a good pair para dun sa pagkain. So ayun lang, kahit maaga tayong umuwi, kahit we had a slow day today, I'm still thankful. And I believe na every day is a different day. Meron tayong good day, meron tayong slow days, but you know, I believe na tomorrow it's gonna be a different day. Kaya po sa mga clients namin na hindi pa po nakakapasyal at hindi pa po nakakapag-book dyan, book na po kayo. We still have open slots tomorrow. We start from 12 noon up until 10 p.m. Last call po natin is 9:30 p.m. So, huwag na po kayo mahiya. Message me at 0917-133-9667, or you can call me on the same number or leave a message on our Facebook page, and I'll be happy to book your schedule at the spa. So, ano guys, uwi muna kami. Like, share, and follow our page po para sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-follow at hindi pa po nakakapanood ng aming videos. We have Facebook page, we also have our TikTok po, and we also have our YouTube account. So kindly follow our pages po. We appreciate all of your support. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Uwian na po. Tara na sa SCTEX ulit. Tataan na kami ulit sa SCTEX. Bye guys! Have a good night!